Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet a foundation single crochet row. So a foundation single crochet is basically where you are creating the chain, the beginning chain, and the first row of single crochets all at one time. So you don't have to do the beginning chain and then single crochet into the chain. Which one, I know that's not everyone's favorite part of beginning a project, and this technique definitely gives you a stretchier foundation row. To start the single crochet foundation stitches, we are going to create a slip knot on our hook, and we will begin with 2 chains, and then in the second chain from the hook, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, which will create our chain, and then we'll yarn over, pull through 2, and that will create our single crochet. So that is 1. And then to create more, we are going to insert our hook into that chain we created here. Okay, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, which creates the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, which creates the single crochet. So there we have 2 single crochet foundation stitches. And again, we are going to insert our hook into that chain here that we created. Yarn over, pull through 1 to anchor it. And now we could yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, and yarn over, pull through 2 to create the single crochet. So this is how it's looking. And then we are just going to continue. So insert our hook into that chain that we created, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 to create the single crochet. And you're just going to continue to do this until you have created as many single crochet foundation stitches that you need. Okay, now that you know how to do the foundation single crochets, you will easily pick up the half double crochet and the double crochet, the foundation half double and double crochet stitches. So for half double crochet, it's going to be the same concept. So start with a slip knot, chain 2, we're going to yarn over, because that's how a half double crochet starts. We yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 to make that chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 to create that half double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, we're going to insert into the chain that we made, yarn over, pull through, that first one's complete, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain, and yarn over and pull through all 3 to create that half double crochet. Okay, so same concept as single crochet, we're just doing half double crochets now. And again, with half double crochets, we typically start with yarning over. So we're going to start with yarning over before we insert our hook into the chain we created. Yarn over, pull through, anchor it, yarn over, pull through 1 to create the chain first, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 to create the half double crochets. And you would just keep on going. For the double crochets, same concept. Create a slip knot, and we are going to chain 3 instead of 2 because we want that height there for our double crochet. So when we are creating a chain that isn't a foundation, typically we'll double crochet into the second chain from the hook, depending on the pattern. So that is why we are creating an extra chain here to begin. So 3 instead of 2, because we want to start into the third chain from the hook. So we're going to yarn over, because that's how we start a double crochet. Insert our hook into the third chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 to create that chain, and we are going to finish off the double crochet as normal, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that makes a foundation double crochet. Here's our chain down here that we created, so we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the chain we created, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, create our chain, and then finish our double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're just going to keep going. Yarn over, insert our hook where we created that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, create that chain, and then finish our double crochet as normal. And that's it. We will just keep going until we have the number of foundation double crochets that we need.